One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. If you have an area that has shared trips, well, you might want to know this when it comes to luggage and the new policy when it comes to
Yeah, I
these
don't
shared
know.
trips at airports.
I don't know who would do a shared trip out of an airport. I don't know.
I think
Uh,
just about, I would say most people watching this probably won't, but there's definitely a few that might.
I Why would you do it? Like honestly, I don't know why anybody would do shared trip out of airports.
Because that they don't realize that you don't need to take shared trips if you don't want it. I mean, how many times have we talked to people that says, "Oh, I didn't realize that I didn't have to accept every single ride. Those couple of rides didn't make any sense to me financially, but I thought that I would be penalized in the event I didn't
Yeah,
accept."
yeah. Well, I
So
mean, we
that's
recommend you don't do shared trips, period.
yeah.
Or if you do accept the first one, click no more trip requests. But Uber is sending a nastygram now, Chris, when you do that.
Mhm.
This was like, don't accept the first one if you're not going to accept the second one. I'm going to go F off, Uber.
I'd be like, you know what? I'm an independent contractor.
Yeah. It's like,
I can choose if I want to take the rides or not.
absolutely. Well, yeah, of course. Yeah, and that is Matt. 100% agree with that. Some
There's
certain,
always an exception to the rule. That
and
might be
grab
the
that.
only one.
Yeah, grab that surge and go do a single trip. Turn it into an X, and the rider will like you better as well. So, new luggage policy for at airports. Uh, I mean, look, man, if you're gonna do it, do it. But then now you got to schlep. Each rider now can bring up to one standard size check bag and one carry-on when requesting share at an airport.
Mm.
So if you're driving like a little tiny car, like a Prius or a Corolla or something like that, and you're doing shared trips out of a place like LAX, let's say, good luck. Uh, if a rider's luggage exceeds this amount, the driver or rider, I don't know why rider would cancel it, the driver should, can cancel, and neither will be charged a cancellation fee. I'm not even sure this is all correct, Chris. Neither will be charged a cancellation fee.
I think
I
it's
should
neither
get paid. I
rider.
should get paid cancellation fee as a driver. What do you mean neither will be charged as a cancellation fee? I'm not even sure what's going on.
I don't know. Uber, you should probably send this to your lawyers before sending it out to everybody. So then that way,
This is
things like this aren't confusing.
Well, Uber's communication skills are not the best, but
Definitely.
anyway, so yeah, if you're gonna do shared trips, which I highly recommend you don't, but hey, to each their own. Do your thing. But out of airports with 1+1 now, as opposed to just one or just a backpack or whatever, I mean, you may run into somebody who's traveling heavy. They have two pieces of luggage and one carry-on. They go, just squeeze it in there. I'm like, nope, don't do it. You can cancel now, and hopefully you won't get dinged, and hopefully you will get paid the cancellation fee. I don't know. Uber says something different there, so
I like that idea. Can we charge for the full size bag like airlines do? Yes, carry a scale around and charge by weight.
well, no, I mean that's an important
It's,
thing.
yeah,
If you're
it's
driving a
30
small
bucks
car,
up to 50 pounds. Anything over 50 pounds, it's, X amount plus.
I don't mind putting. Do you, by the way? So to the chat, folks, I do help people with their luggage every
Oh,
time.
same here. Same
Um,
here. I don't want them scratching up my car.
that's the main reason, but also it's good service, and you're definitely going to get more tips
Well,
if you do help somebody.
for me, personally, it's because I don't want them scratching my car. That is
Yeah,
number
where
one.
the
Number
bump is,
two
right? Yeah,
is like
exactly.
the offset where it's like I'm doing it really for me and my car because otherwise they're just gonna slam it in. They're just gonna throw it and probably scratch up the car every single time they pull it in and out or push it in and out. So yeah, 100% that is the reason. The
Yeah,
outcome from that is it's customer service related too. So it's like a win-win. You don't
yeah,
screw up your car. and the paint or gets scratched up or anything like that. And if it does, it's on you. So, you know, you're the person versus, you know, somebody else doing it. So, yeah, it's just kind of a win-win that way.
Yeah, 100%. I mean, you said it right. I mean, the first thing is you don't want the bumper to get scratched because these people are not going to pay attention. And most of them are, you know, especially ladies, you know, they're not strong enough to to lift the thing to just without scratching the bumper. So, you know, I do help them every single time, and going in and coming out. And yeah, I mean, you should do it if you're able to. I mean, look, I don't know if you have a handicap or you can't lift heavy stuff or whatever. I understand, but I think it's good service. So.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.